Dos, uno. So, covalent bonds is tomorrow's quiz. Thursday's quiz ionic bonds. So let's start with the most pertinent covalent. Covalence between two nonmetals. On your P table, periodic table, online, you'll have that resource. You can always just highlight the nonmetals. Like just put your mouse over it, it says nonmetals. Actually, I'm gonna need someone to hold Tegan's phone because I got some easy way for y'all to learn this. I need all my cheerleaders to come on up here.
We gotta pass the phone here, Shannon.
Girls.
Look at my chair. Why is it?
Tanner, you just gotta hold your hands, dude.
Oh, it's not going back down now. We don't wait.
Figure it out.
Yeah, you don't wait.
Okay. So, cheer girls up here. Come here. You're gonna help me. This is I teach this every year. Teach this cheer every year. Come on, in front of everybody. And no joke, I will see students during the test for this doing this cheer at their seat. Okay? So do me a favor. Okay? So we're gonna put our left hand out and go left side, right side. We're gonna go that, and we're gonna go ionic. I. We're making an I. So left side, right side, ionic. Okay. So if you think about it, a metal's on the left side, non-metals are on the right side. That makes your ionic compound. So you can remember left side, right side, ionic. Then we got the covalent, which is the two non-metals. Well, non-metals are on the right side, so we're gonna go right side, covalent. It makes a C. Okay. So for ionic, what's our ionic cheer?
Left side. Right side.
Ionic. Then our covalent cheer. Covalent. There you go. Good job. Thank you, girl.
I should send this to me and post it on YouTube just to see how many things.
But now, what I'm going to see is during like the test and stuff. Now, you're going to be looking at elements and stuff, and I'm going to see students like in the middle of the test. You'll see them.
You're not gonna see nobody do that.
It never fails. I see at least one student every year do it.
I'll do it for a minute.
So,
I'll do it as well.
there you go. So, covalent. Right side covalent. It's all usually elements on that right side of that periodic table. Two non-metals, that's the key thing. Now, these are the ones you use your prefixes with naming. Your prefixes are mono is 1, di is 2, tri is 3, tetra is 4, penta is 5, hexa, hecta, octa, nona, deca. Okay, you should have those memorized. Now, when naming covalent compounds, we first name our first non-metal fully. Okay, then we shorten the second non-metal with the "ide" ending, so kind of like our ionic compounds. Then we add our prefixes for how many there are of each one. So, for example, we have PCl3. I'll even bring up my little laser pointer. Okay, right side, P, chlorine. Right side, so it's covalent bond. So, we have P is phosphorus. So our name, if we want to go from the formula to the name, we got phosphorus. Chlorine turns into chloride. How many chlorines do we have? 3. So it's trichloride. You need a big cord. I do. I thought about this yesterday. I was like, I need like multiple boards. At one school I had like a whole wall of boards. It was nice. But then my students hated it because I would just continue and continue and continue and continue. It would be like no break. So there's purpose to both. So let's name this next one. What's the first? You got carbon. Oxide.
Die.
You got 2, so it's dioxide. Okay. Now, SO2. What we got?
Sulfur.
Sulfur. What?
Oxide.
Sulfur, oxide, and how many oxides we have?
Di.
So it's sulfur
Dioxide.
dioxide. Let's get down to number 6.
ninth.
So, Mr. Joseph, let's see someone else try now. You got this. You got this on lockdown. What's this element? Nitrogen. So I'm going to use
It would be tetranitrogen.
tetranitrogen. Okay, I can do that. And then we have oxide, oxygen,
I can't say
deca oxide. Deca oxide. So it's tetranitrogen deca oxide. Okay?
Yay.
Do we feel good on going from the formula to the name?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, questions on that? These are pretty easy. You just write your names out, put your prefixes. Now I think with covalent bonds it also is pretty easy going from the name to the formula.
Wait,
Okay.
is this all that's on the test?
This is all that's on tomorrow's.
Yeah, that's what I know.
This is tomorrow's, yes, covalent bonds. And how do I know when it's a covalent bond?
When there's two non-metals.
Two nonmetals. And if you're in doubt, there's two nonmetals. Right side, covalent. There you go, it's gonna stick in your head now. It works. So, if I'm going from the name to the formula, I got sulfur, S, fluoride, which is fluorine, F. Now I just put my prefixes is di. Di, what does di mean? Two, so I have disulfur, so two sulfurs. Difluoride, so I have two fluorines. Okay? Y'all see how I got that? Okay. Let's do dihydrogen monoxide. So I got hydrogen, which is H. Monoxide, which is O. Okay.
So
How many oxygens do we have?
there's one. so
One.
just
And
move
do,
it.
there we go. I was about to say, if we have a one, do we have to put anything down?
No.
No. Okay. How many hydrogens do we have?
Two.
Two.
H2O.
H2O. We made water.
Right.
Okay. Now, arsenic deca oxide. So, arsenic is As. Oxygen is O. How many arsenics do we have? 4. How many oxygens do we have? 3.
Oh, I thought I was.
Deca oxide, 10. So it's AS4O10. Questions on how to do these? Yes, no,
Easy.
easy peasy lemon squeezy? Okay. Give me a second if you want to pause it.